The 2018 Honda Civic Sedan Touring has everything you've come to love about the Civic. It has amazing fuel economy, world-class reliability, and high-performance features that make driving fun, all in one affordable car. This is the Civic that has always grown with you and the world you live in. On the outside, the 2018 Honda Civic Sedan Touring features automatic headlights with bright LEDs to light up the road ahead. It comes standard with 17-inch aluminum alloy wheels, and to complete the look, the sedan has a fastback style trunk and the iconic 10th generation Civic LED taillights. To improve visibility, the Civic has a larger windshield, rain-sensing wipers, fog lamps, and heated power side mirrors to make sure, no matter what the weather, you can see everything clearly. With the proximity key entry system, one touch opens the doors, and it locks automatically when you walk away from your car, giving you the peace of mind that your Civic is always safe. Inside, Honda wraps a compact car shape around a spacious cabin that's even lower, longer, and wider than before. A streamlined dashboard profile provides easy access to the touchscreen interface and even a spot to wirelessly charge your devices. The Civic Sedan Touring features leather-trimmed heated seats in both the front and rear, an 8-way power driver's seat, and loads of legroom in the back, making it extra comfortable for all of your passengers, even the taller ones. Whether you're loading groceries, luggage, or sports equipment, there's a surprising amount of space in the 15 cubic foot trunk. And with easily accessible child seat anchor points, your Civic is ready to grow with you and your family. Speaking of which, you can easily fit a stroller in the back. Getting behind the wheel is the best part of the 2018 Civic Touring experience. You can fire up the engine remotely and heat up or cool down the car depending upon the weather. The steering wheel mounted controls help keep both hands on the wheel with access to the 452-watt stereo system, as well as the hands-free link and adaptive cruise control. A handy navigation system makes it easy to find your destination, and Apple CarPlay or Android Auto keep you connected while driving. Once you're moving, the 2018 Civic balances power and performance. With the 174 horsepower turbocharged 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine, a smooth and efficient continuously variable transmission, as well as an Econ driving mode and Honda's EcoAssist driving system for even more fuel savings. The Civic Touring also features the complete suite of Honda Sensing advanced safety and driver assistive technologies, which includes forward collision warning, collision mitigation braking system, lane departure warning, lane keeping assist system, road departure mitigation, and adaptive cruise control with low-speed follow. The Civic Touring is also equipped with Lane Watch blind spot display that helps you to see obstacles on the passenger side of your Civic. With a long list of features plus the quality and performance you've come to expect from Honda, it's easy to see why the best-selling car in Canada for 20 years is still getting better with the 2018 Honda Civic Sedan Touring.